Have you ever wished you could attach emails into another email? Are you looking to attach an email that wasn't originally part of the email thread? Do you need to send a group of emails to someone so that you can bring them up to speed or help them catch up on a conversation they weren't part of? Do you need to attach an email to another email to reference a previous conversation? Are you looking to attach files to an email, but don't want your information inventory to drive your drive space down to zero? Well, in this video, we will provide answers to all those questions as we learn two different methods that you can attach an email to another email in a few very simple steps. So, pull up a chair and let's get started. I'm Cameron Hansen with Lean Strategies International LLC, and we are here to show you how to get the most out of your Google Workspace while simultaneously optimizing the information side of your value streams. Today, we will show you a technique that reduces information inventory in your drive, decreases overprocessing that comes from downloading and attaching various forms of files, and a surefire way to send accurate information. Let's get started. First, let's open up our Gmail. Then, we will open a Compose window in Gmail. Pick your recipient, write your subject line, draft the body of your email, then search for the email you want to attach and drag and drop the email in it, and it will attach as an EML file. Also, if you don't need to search for the file because your inbox is in 5S condition, you can just select the ones you want and drag and drop them, and they will attach. When your recipient clicks on the .eml file, the email will open a new window or a new tab for easy review. Another way you can forward emails as an attachment is to select multiple emails, then click the three dots, right-click, or hold Control and left-click on a Mac and select the option that reads Forward as an Attachment. And that's it. You now know how to attach one email to another email in a few easy steps. Now, before you go, you may be wondering, what is Google Workspace? First and foremost, this video is in no way sponsored, but we do believe Workspace adds value. Google Workspace is a platform that can really help organizations and individuals optimize the information side of their value stream. Whether it's for school, work, or casual use, you will definitely find value in Google Workspace. We've left some links in the description below where you can sign up for Google Workspace or find out more about it. As always, if you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power today.